Trust me, bro. The name you know.
GM everyone, welcome back to another episode. This week's takes: Lip 10, Open Community Standard, Electric Child Film World Premiere, Trust Me Bro Spaces Updates, Buttrfly Polls, and our beer taste, today with an organic beer. Hannah, how are you today?
Hi Yakuza, I'm good thanks, hope you too. Let's start solid with Lip 10. Lip 10, Open Community Standard. Imagine a world where lens communities seamlessly connect across different apps. That's the future Lip 10 is building. But first things first, what do we even call these communities? Channels for casual hangouts or groups for more structured discussions? The lens community is still debating the perfect term. Now, once we have a name, how do we categorize them? Two main ideas are on the table. Tag team. This approach uses existing tags with a standardized prefix, like lens photography for your photography enthusiasts. Field of dreams. Introduce a brand new field within posts themselves, like community string, to explicitly state which community a post belongs to. But the discussion doesn't end there. Can we only share content in one community at a time, or can we be social butterflies and cross-post across multiple channels? This is still up for grabs. Here's a fun fact. Some folks argue that existing lens profiles with their follow modules and custom references already function pretty much like groups. Makes you think, right? The bigger picture. As Lip 10 unfolds, some key questions need answering. Flexibility versus standardization. How do we make it user-friendly while also creating a developer-friendly standard for these communities? Discovery dynamics. Do we let users decide where their content goes, or do algorithms help them find the right communities? Privacy. First, if private groups become a thing, how do we ensure users have control over their content privacy? This Lip discussion is a crucial step towards a thriving lens ecosystem built on strong communities. By addressing these challenges, the lens team can create a standard that fosters discovery, interaction, and ultimately a richer social experience for everyone. So, what are we waiting for? Let's make this open community standard a reality across all lens clients. Let's do this, guys!
Much needed feature. Now let's bring you some great news from our friend Simonji. His Web3 pilot project film, Electric Child, just landed its world premiere at the prestigious Locarno Film Festival. That's right, it'll be screened on August 9th on Europe's biggest screen in front of a whopping 8,000 people. Talk about a major moment. This isn't just a personal victory for Simonj, it's a huge step for Electric Film and their vision of community-driven cinema. This film studio is all about empowering creators to come together, not just to produce films, but to co-create them. Imagine a truly democratic space where art takes center stage and individuals have the power to shape the future of film. That's Electric.Film in a nutshell. Electric Child, starring Elliot Crosset-Hove, Godland, and Rila Fukushima, Ghost in the Shell, is a thrilling story that blends cultures and perspectives as it weaves its way through Switzerland, Germany, and the Philippines. Why is this such a big deal? Electric Child's premiere isn't just a win for Simonj, it's a massive achievement for Web3-powered filmmaking. This project is a shining example of how innovative funding models based on blockchain technology can bring fresh and unique stories to life. Simonj's vision is becoming a reality, and this is just the beginning. Mark your calendars. Catch the world premiere of Electric Child on August 9th at Piazza Grande at the Locarno Film Festival. Let's all show our support for this incredible journey. Well deserved for Simon. Massive. Now trust me bro Spaces updates. The wait is over. Our beloved Buttrfly Spaces are back this Wednesday, July 17th at 7 p.m. CET. We took a break for ETCC, but trust us, you won't want to miss this comeback. We've got a mystery guest lined up who's guaranteed to be mind-blowing. Stay tuned for the big reveal. Deep dive into ETH, CC, and Lens AFK. We will also feature a deep dive into all the juicy details from the recent ETHCC and Lens AFK events. Get exclusive insights straight from those who were there in the thick of it. Mark your calendars. Set your reminders for July 17th, 7 p.m. CET, 1 p.m. ET. Link for the spaces in our newsletter. See you all there.
Can't wait for Wednesday. Now let's check this new feature. Buttrfly just got a whole lot more interactive with the launch of Poll Frames by Mo. That's right, you can now create polls directly within Buttrfly and Farcaster using the same handy tool. No more switching between platforms to gauge community sentiment. Here's the lowdown on how to create your own Buttrfly poll. Start by hitting the Post button. Next to the GIF option, you'll see the brand new Create a Poll button. Click that bad boy. Craft your question and include up to 4 answer options. Bam! Your poll is ready to be unleashed upon the Butterflyverse. This is a fantastic addition to the Buttrfly platform, and we hope other Lens clients take note and integrate this feature too. But hey, even if they don't, Buttrfly still has you covered. Big props to Mo for constantly innovating and keeping the updates flowing. Let's see what kind of awesome polls you all come up with.
Let's wrap up with our beer taste. This week's pick is Stroud Brewery's Tom Long, a certified organic amber bitter. Founded by an eco-warrior adventurer, Stroud Brewery isn't just about tasty brews. They're passionate about sustainability. They use organic ingredients and eco-friendly practices in every batch. Tom Long, named after a local legend, is a sessionable 3.8% ABV amber, perfect for lighter beer fans. Expect a smooth sip with subtle caramel sweetness, balanced by gentle bitterness, and a hint of citrus and spice from organic orange peel and coriander. Tom Long is a light, smooth, and flavorful brew that's kind to the planet. So next time you're looking for a delicious and sustainable beer, keep an eye out for Tom Long. Cheers! And that's it for this week. Thanks for listening or watching. Please collect this post on Lens to support the show and go follow us across all socials. Bye everyone.